Pagmilas ng mga magagaling na artista. At sana naway maging inspirasyon po ito sa lahat ng ibig maging creatives din po. At kahit sino pong kailangan ng inspirasyon sa buhay. Maraming salamat po sa pangalan ng aming Panginoong Hesus Kristo. Amen.
Thank you, Gladys. I'm just happy to see two of my partners in the Heroes Wall of Fame mural. So yung tatawagin po natin ang pangalawang miyembro po ng ating Heroes mural and also part of Silagi Artists. Let's call on Barangay Kagawad, Jeff Alanggi.
Salamat, Brother Pigeon. First of all, a pleasant evening to everybody. I want to thank everybody, especially our distinguished guests, Ma'am Sol, my fellow artists, the young artists, my fellow educators. Thank you everybody for giving time to attend this momentous event. Momentous because another venue has been established to cater to our creative endeavors. So my congratulations, my big congratulations is in order, and I hope everybody would enjoy the rest of the evening. Thank you very much.
In short, to give us the rationale of this one, this Lian Art Museum, let's call on the birthday celebrant, Councilor Leandro B. Yangot Jr.
Thank you, Brother Pigeon. Isang maalab ngunit maulan na gabi sa ating you know, before I start, I'd like to ask for your understanding and your forgiveness. Medyo napitin kami sa preparation. Kung nakikita nyo, ang dami pang mga easels dito na hindi pa nilagay yung dapat mailagay. But I would say what happened today and what will happen today is a work in progress. And before anything else, I'd like to say thank you to all of you for coming and for attending today's launching. Matagal na namin pinlano ito. We have planned for this for some time, pero as they say, there's always the first time. We have a lot of personalities present with us here today. And in case I will miss your names, I also ask for your understanding. And I'd like to start. Actually, this was reset several times because we wanted the NCCA to be present because this will be the first solar-powered creative hub or space in Baguio City and perhaps in the Cordillera region. Let's check. We also purposely chose to put solar panels to power the lights here because we wanted to set the example. We are now facing the greatest problem of humanity, and that is climate change. So in order to be able to contribute to the collective effort to combat climate change, we started by putting out solar panels to power the lights for today's occasion and in the days to come. We hope that with this example, the others in the city will also embrace this solar-powered lighting system. To start with, a while ago, I was whispering to my colleague, Architect Mylen Yarano, when we were trying to finalize who could be the possible speaker from upstairs in the NCAA, Unfortunately, yesterday there was a changing of the guards. Napalitan ko yung executive director ng NCCA. And ka-assume yung bago. So yung bagong chairman or the newly installed executive director definitely cannot come because he has to fix a lot of things. So the NCA informed us that we will send a member of the NCCA Executive Council in the person of Maria Pangan. Yan. So let's give a big hand to Maria Pangan. Kilala niyo ba kung sino si Maria Pangan? Hindi. Nandito ngayon siya. And so, our office emailed the NCCA for the NCCA to send the curriculum vitae for the biodata of the member of the National Executive Council. Nag-email. Tinignan po kung sino yung Maria Pangan. Bakit ang nakalagay dun na pangalan is Maria Victoria G. Yaranon? Yun pala, dun sa NCCA, ang nakalagay na pangalan, yung first name kasi Mylen has two names, Maria Victoria. So, ang kineri, yung Maria. But, since she's married to, of course, definitely Mr. Pangan, so ang pangalan is Maria Pangan. So, yun, si Maria Pangan is no other than Maria Victoria G. Personally, on a personal note, I am very elated and very proud that one from Baguio is a member of the National Executive Council of the NCCA. Palakpakan natin ulit si actually, the program that we prepared, no political figure will speak, no? Kasi this is about arts. You cannot mix arts with politics. But as the saying goes, art is everything. It involves the art of making artworks, the art of talking, the art of conversing, the art of dancing, the art of eating, including the art of politics. Yeah. So we extended invitations accordingly, and we prepared, but there is no such thing as a perfect preparation. Well, it's still the beginning, so I say it's a work in progress. We will still make a lot of improvements, and we would appreciate it very much if after going through this art hub, this art museum, you give your suggestions. No? Whether it's positive or negative, it will mean a lot to us. To the Secretariat, Joy, are you here with us? Joy. Hi. Si Joy. Nagpapirma kayo dun sa attendance?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everybody? Okay.
Check, sir, but it's ongoing.
Yeah, and we would appreciate really na sabihin nyo yung totoo. Alam ko na maraming pagkukulang ito, but we will attempt to make it better the next time around. There's always the first time, as they say. With us today, I see old friends, and I'd like to start to say thank you to the following people who gave inspiration to the birth of this Lian Art Museum. First is, of course, my partner, si Cheryl, si Chip. Sa totoong buhay, siya po ang nauna na nag-initiate nito. In fact, most of our collections, art collections, were through her. Starting with Hermie, Bruno. Hermie, where are you guys? And wife, Cara. Yeah. You will find that many of the paintings came from Hermie. But when I saw him a while ago, I told him in advance, pasensya ka, Hermine. We have to somehow balance the content of the museum. Some of his artworks were not yet featured. But later on, pag in full swing na tayo, yan lahat yan i-feature. And all those who are here who are creative people, you are welcome to feature your artwork here for free. Okay? Allow me to also say thank you to my aunt Godeliva Dao Asben, who just flew to Geneva, Switzerland. The last time we were here, it was my aunt Godeliva who suggested, anak, ikaw lang nandito, kayo rin na Lucia, kayo rin na Bunso, and whoever comes around, why don't you convert this into a creative space? Make it a museum. So we took that suggestion from her. Actually, I stayed in Switzerland for more than 3 years. And in my stay in Switzerland, I learned that many of the old houses owned by the royals in Switzerland were converted into creative spaces, creative house. Aanhin mo ang isang, halimbawa, malaking building o bahay kung kayo-kayo lang. And many of them have offered their houses for sale. For those who are not able to sell it, ginawa nilang mga creative spaces. Mga museum, ganyan, mga galleries, no? So, from that, I took the cue. So, after we discussed it with my partner, then pag-agreean namin that we will convert it into a creative space. Thirdly, I'd like to formally recognize, no, in public, she was one of those who encouraged me to convert this one into a creative space. Yung kasama ni na Georgina, ni George. Where is George? Hola, where are you? From City Planning and Development Office. It was actually your boss Donna, no, who in one of our zoning board meetings, who gave me the strength and who also inspired me na i-convert na lang itong house into a creative space. Unfortunately, she cannot be with us. Nasa Manila siya. But she was one of those who really said, who pushed na gawin natin ito. Then, of course, our brothers and sisters, our brethren from the creative community, especially from the BIAG. We have members who are here. One of those who encouraged me was my batchmate in elementary and high school, Jason. Adapti ka, Jason?
Yes, sir.
Jason Pinodentino, who are you? Dantoy? Dani Jason? Ada? Siya man ti mangipod no Jason nga hindi ka datatag lablablaban ti ko. Datayo kada ading ko nga Paul kada kapsat mo nga architects tuki. Hindi ay kapsat da nga ni Mark. Na kami taglalaban din dito dati competition din di tuba iti pinalaingan iti creative artworks. But when I got into public service, nalipatak na ita. Yeah. But when I went to Switzerland, I started doing it again. And then when I came back, inspired by you people, we started going back to our first love, yeah, and that is arts. A special mention also to the Sinagi members who are here. Ibiyag kat, ada dito ni Jandi Kaiso, Sir Jandi. Leslie, si Marwin, sino pa'y kadwateo? Ni Dr. Arnold Aconsay and wait, very special mention to the President, the man behind the Baguio Educators Arts Guild of Baguio City, and soon to be sumapalpasin. Soon to be, ang may magbagan mo dyan si soon to be. Si Sir Ben Laureta Ebanyo. We started together with the other artists like Kirby, DJ Free Art Lessons in 2021, November 2021, and the rest is history. Dadamot dito yung DJ nabayag nga gagayam ko, like the Delia, kani Kagawad Ernesto Leon of Asin. Actually, kat tinawid na pa yung iman na bulol. Duwa, naka-feature rin tayo. You know what is bulol? It's specialty of the people from Ifugao. It's the rice god na inukit na. Nung day kanyada, it's heirloom because they inherited it from the ancestors niya. So, madetahang basta-basta. Siguro manunganwang tinaparti nita niya.
Baboy lang.
Yeah. Then, of course, dadita ni Engineer Melchor Licobin, manager to Toti Pineco. Palakpakan tayo. My classmate in the College of Engineering and Architecture of St. Louis University, together with my other classmate na tinagkaduan ni Engineer Art Bacoco. Well, ano pa tiket kung ay baga? Yeah. But we have our friends from the Filipino-Chinese community na narito. Let's give a big hand to them. The President, Manong Peter Nang, will come later. Naisabay kami nga 6 o'clock today, opening mo ti Save More. It's a new building iti Hotel Supreme. Yes. But he will be coming later. Together with the Vice President, who was the former President of PREBA, my compadre Fernando Chong. Together with their group, they supported when we launched the Botanical Garden, the Art in the Park, where we taught free art lessons and where the best of the best youngsters from the creative community of Baguio, pinakita nilang kagalingan nila, ang nag-sponsor po sila. And in fact, hindi lang yon, yung succeeding free art lessons classes, the materials were provided by all of them. And we have now a partnership, the Filipino-Chinese mural at Kisan. The lead artist is Chino Chow. Ito si Chino. And others who are with us, natutulong like Jen, Kagawad Jen, si Jamil, Jamil Adaplog. Then we also have who's this, ni Edmond Andrada. Then some young artists who are also helping. And also, one of our very strong supporters in the creative community, lest I commit a big mistake of not mentioning her. Actually, among the members of the creative community, isa siya sa mga sumusuporta, hindi lang sumusuporta, namimili. Yun ang importante. Sumusuporta sa atin, and then sa mga events, palaging nandyan. At bago aalis sa isang event, siguradong may bibilhin niya. Walang iba po ito, kundi ang ating Ma'am Sol ko. And well, the congressman, I believe, just arrived o darating pala. He just arrived from the US, so si Ma'am Sol ang nandito. Then from City Hall, we have City Hall friends who are here. Nandito ang PIO. Yeah. Nandito ang PTB4. Nandito si Edong Carta. Sinong kasama mo nga sa PTB4 or here? Okay. Then of course from we have the representative of the regional director of the Department of Tourism. Sana. Ayun, yan. She will speak for the regional director. The regional director is currently in Mindanao for another event. So, yun, nauna yun. But we will have other events in the future. In fact, nandito ba si Art Luzano? Yan. Formally, I'd like to announce that napag-usapan namin ni na Art that we will launch a national arts camp, where the creative people from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, the 7,100 islands in the Philippines will hold an art camp here in Baguio. And with the help of those of you, especially those who are here, let's plan it. Let's plan together so that it will be successful. So hindi lang taga rito, pati taga island ng Luzon, sa Visayas and Mindanao. Then, of course, sino pa bang nandito? Nakita ko yung representative ng Baguio Water District. May inaabot kanina na tapoy, kaya hindi ko makalimutan. Saan yung taga Baguio Water District? Well, basta, nandito siya. Hindi lang umiimik. The Baguio Creative Council co-chairperson in the person of former Regional Director Venus Tan wanted to be with us today, but she texted na she is currently indisposed. Kaya hindi siya naka-attend ng Manganta ko event yesterday at the Rose Garden. Masama ang pakiramdam. She's not okay. She has to get well. So, sino pa ba na nandito? Sa lahat po na nandito, baka may makalimutan ko. Of course, yung mayor ng Santo Tomas proper, Bro, Kapitan Alejandro Agpes. So, we extended invitation to the others. I don't know if they're here. Nandito ba sila? Sinong barangay officials na nandito? Yan. Anyway. So, sa inyo pong lahat, ito pong mangyayari ngayong gabi ay, and of course, Edong Tarta. I-mention ko ulit para hindi nyo makalimutan. Darating yung panahon na kailangan hindi nyo siya makalimutan. Sa performing arts and visual arts, may mga kasama din tayo na gusto nating i-acknowledge. They won the Asia Pacific ba yan? What's UDO na? UDO.
Universal Dance Organization.
Universal Dance Organization, and they'll be representing the Philippines. They won second place, first runner-up sila. They're representing the Philippines in the world dance competition that will be done in the United Kingdom. Okay, so last year, they also won in the national, what's that?
Hip Hop International.
Yeah, Hip Hop International, and they were supposed to represent the Philippines in the United States. Unfortunately, due to budgetary constraints, hindi sila natuloy. So kung may mga benefactors dito na pwedeng tumulong, I'm taking this time to ask you to help them. Ngayon, pupunta sila sa UK. Sana matuloy yun. Kailan ba yun?
August, sir. August.
August, yan. The group of Rayjan Tamayo, si Adan Agnat, si Louis Vinces Kalimlin, and Tom Cruise. Okay, so, they'll be representing the country. And medyo nagka-problema lang kasi yung most of their dancers, sila yung mga biktima ng mga nasunog sa MRRP notice. Okay? So, yan. Medyo nakuha ng konti. So, I have not much to say. What I can say is this creative space that we launched today is dedicated to the people of Baguio. Let us make Baguio truly creative by building more creative spaces. We hope that we will be able to inspire. We will be, Roland, will be able to inspire more people to put up creative spaces, private as well as public. But well, I'm taking this opportunity to make an open appeal to those who can offer their spaces for the sake of creativity. Creativity is something unique. In fact, we were the only creative city in 2017 declared by UNESCO. We were followed by Cebu and the other cities after that. But we will hold the record as the first ever creative city in the entire 7,100 islands of the Philippines. So, what we will all do today will be a living testament of what the people of Baguio can do. This is probably the first time na magkakaroon ng solar-powered art museum, and probably the first privately initiated. But we would like that what we will all do today will be in coordination, in creative coordination, in creative collaboration, in creative networking with all other creative spaces in the locality, in the region, in the country, and elsewhere. Pagtulong-tulungan natin, bale ito will just serve as the igniter. And then from that ignition, let's take it from there. Parang diesel ito, medyo mahina, pero aarangkada yan. Pagtulungan natin, and we won't mind if you give your suggestion. Anything that will make things better for all of us. And as I have intimated, my Aunt Benny, who just retired from the UK, is here, Benny Bangkok. Kung minsan doon ako natutulog, kung minsan doon sa kapatid ko, si Paul. So, sa inyo ito, kaya pagbutihin ninyo, hindi lang kami, tayong lahat, kasi ito para sa ating lahat. Ito magiging open to the public. Admission is free. Wala na namang padyan, intriga. Sanay na tayo sa Marites at Era. But as I've said, this is just the beginning. And let this beginning a beginning for all of us. And we're not supposed to be the ones to be congratulated. Kayo yung dapat na ma-congratulate. As I've said, if ever I miss somebody else, walang intention yan. Sa inyong lahat na nandito, the greeting will be addressed to all of you. So, let's enjoy whatever is available. Then feel free to make your suggestions. Malalaki po ang tenga namin na makikinig. And last but not the least, thank you very much sa mga tumulong sa preparation. Alam nyo kung gaano kahirap. Hindi ko na kayo iisa-isahin na pasalamatan. Alam nyo mga sarili nyo, maraming salamat. Thank you very much from the bottom of our hearts. And then, if there's last but not the least, there's another for the canal. I'd like to say thank you to Pigeon personally. Magkasunod lang kami ng batch. But he had been with us. Makikita niyo naman yung ebidensya. Ubus na yung buhok niya. Ako malapit, pero siya ubus na. Thank you very much for everything that you have done. To our friends from the media community, BCBC have been very supportive. Salamat, maraming salamat sa suporta. And yung mga naghirap from day one in making the preparations, maraming salamat talaga. Kung ano man pagkukulang natin, dagdagan na lang natin. And my name, thank you very much for taking time to be with us. I say that because, those of us as in City Hall were all busy, but she took time to be with us representing the National Commission for the Culture and the Arts. Atin ito, siya pala ay member ng Executive Council. We should be very proud of that. Magandang gabi sa atin lang. Sorry, Mitch Camulo, yung pinsan ni Hermie. Kung may papagawa po kayong mga wire art, kung may mga papakommission po kayo, the Lady Wire of the Cordillera Regency Mitch. Yan yung inaanak ko sa kasal. Baka mamiss kita. Saan si Lopez? Magaling yan. Siya yung gumawa ng isang malaking painting dito. Makikita niyo kung saan. Yun yung profile picture ko sa Facebook. That's how special Lopez is. Inaanak ko yan sa kasal. Then, I would like to make special mention to Camille. Hindi sa paborito kita, pero Ito sa mga isa sa mga young budding artists of Baguio. Unfortunately, due to schooling, hindi na nakakasama sa amin. Marami pang mga kasama si Camille. They came here. They just put their artwork and they had to go home kasi strict daw ang parents. Take it away.
Sir, Mr. Jordan Mangosan. At isa pa na tumulong sa kanya, I did a wordplay kanina sa kanyang title, sa kanyang article, sa kanyang profile, the 20th anniversary ng kanyang pagiging creative, Mr. Clinton Anniversario. So yun po. So, and then let's call on again the counselor, the good counselor, to say something.
Pasensya kayo niya. You know, Jordan, actually, siya yung isa pang nagbigay sa akin ng inspiration and encouragement. Jordan happens to be my cousin on my father's side. And when I visited his studio in Bayabas, where most of our relatives are, kung hindi sa Bayabas, nandun sila sa North Sanitary Camp. Kung hindi sa North Sanitary Camp, nandun sila sa San Carlos Heights, Rizal. Kung hindi sa San Carlos Heights, nasa Balinbon, Rizal. At kung hindi sila sa Balinbon, Rizal sa Camp 7, doon yung mga relatives namin ni Jordan Mangosan. And I drew also inspiration from him, actually. It was my wife who first bought his solar art works. Ako, pa-relax-relax lang, pero nung pumunta kami doon, doon ko nakita na ang galing pala ng pinsan ko. I'm very proud of you, Jordan. Lakpakan natin sa Today, Jordan had a very important activity, but may kaman dito ito. Jordan, when we opened our solar art painting at the park and at Athletic Bowl, siya po ang nag-provide ng lahat ng materials. Libre pa. Alam ni Pijo niya, nung inaabot ko yung professional fee niya, hindi niya tinanggap, sabi niya, ito ay para sa mga bata. Would you like to?
Mahit nga rabi tayo amin, nga datoy, kan ganito kayo umumay pa. So, on may pagkat tayo na ipagkatamot amin yan. So, congratulations to Dalian Art Museum. Salamat na-invite up dito. Kan mahit nga rabi tayo amin. Thank you.
Okay. Siya po ang president ng Tamawan. Grupo ng mga artist sa Tamawan. And yan. Kung hindi siya busy doon, busy siya sa apostolic duty niya. Yan ang ini-enjoy niya. Then of course, I'd like to make a special mention to the relative of Chick, my wife, si Clinton. Wala pang nakakalam dyan, but Clinton Anniversario. Where are you, Clinton? Clinton, ito. If you happen to pass through Marcos Highway, you pass through his masterpiece. Si Kanti Mangibaga Clinton na ilalata, hanlang ang pagtigusan.
Ating nga pagtigusan yung mga nadalifugan at tinakayan. Alam mo Marcos Highway gaya, nung pababa kayo, right side. So, dito yung anniversary camping ground and inside that anniversary camping ground, nakita yung Clinton Museum full of old cameras, vintage film. Tapos, mga heirlooms na rin ng mga Cordillera.
Kung gusto mo magpa-picture po, Ma'am Sol, yung oldest na camera, yung ugma, the old way of taking pictures, you visit the Clinton Anniversario Arts Camp dun sa yung banda di ayan mo dyan? Palina. It's part of no, it's part of Tuba or part of
Tuba and still Tuba.
Pugo. Kanya de, Pugo ba de? Kung ni father mo, dispute pa lang niya. Yes. But at any rate, it's either part of Tuba or part of Palina. Palina or part of Pugo. Yeah, so Jay, mukhang kayo. There's another guy. That's the problem when you do not have a goody-goody kalanchaw. You miss important people and important places. My good friend Art Lozano. Yan. So wala ito siya, it's Art eh. Palaging nakatravel. And many times over, kinuha rin tayong guest speakers sa Pugad the Art. The last time, the artist from Taguig, ang title ng kanilang exhibit is Tag Goes to Bag. Taguig Goes to Baguio. Okay, so nagkaroon na din ng Bag Goes Tag. So the Baguio artists and the artists from the suburbs, from Tuba, from the Blist area, Baguio, Latrina, Itogon, Sablan, Tubay, Tublay, sumama sila pumunta rin sa Taguig. Siya yung example ng tinatawag na bartering your expertise with construction materials. Napagawa po niya yung kanyang creative hub, creative space by bartering his artworks with construction materials para mapagawa niya yung kanyang masterpiece na art studio niya sa may, akala ko part ng Pinsao proper yun, hindi pala, not Trinidad na pala yun. Sulit-sulitin ko na. Baka makalimutan ko kayong isa-isa. Of course, ito yung mga kasama ko dito sa undertaking na to with the co-MC of Pigeon, si Margie Comorsolo. And of course, yung mentor artist na presidente ng Baguio Educators Arts Guild, si Sir Ben Imanyo Jr. Then my batchmate, master teacher from Doña Nicasia, Jason Quinopes. Then, yung tall dark, and alam nyo na, from Doña Aurora, si Sir Leslie Sumawi. Post Clinton, aniversaryo, na-mention ko na. Mitch Cabulo, yung the lady wire of the Cordilleras and Baguio. So yeah, galing yan sa wire. So yung natuto, yeah. Then of course, Kagawad Jed Alanggi of City Camp Central. Tom Cruise. Sorry, nagkamali. Tom Andrew Kalimlim nilagay dyan. Akala nila magkapatid kayo. But that should be Tom Cruise. Then, from stones to concrete walls, and yun pong welcome na picture namin dyan, made from abaca and acrylic paint. Siya pong gumawa, pagpasok nyo, makikita nyo, siya yung nandyan. Galing mo talaga. Gladys Anlabsat. Sila yung first painting na makikita nyo. And of course, yung magandang may bahay ng ating kapatid na si Hermie, si Cara Bruno. Ayan, magaling yan. Ibali yung mga artwork mo, idagdag natin dyan sa next. Idagdag natin sa susunod. Ako'y hihingi ng dispensa ngayon. It's still a work in progress. Marami tayong mga dapat na gagawin pa. Then of course, kanyang handsome partner ni Cara, si Hermie. Mapapansin nyo ang pinakamaraming artworks dyan si Hermie. Then of course, si Lopez Aquino, yung inaanak ko sa kasal. Si Manong Buddy Cabrera and Manong Roland Bayan, mga senior artists yan. Hindi sila nakapunta. Jordan Mangusan, of course si Art Lozano. Then si Howard, dito pa si Howard Ramirez, si Joseph, and Richard. Yan, may mga artworks din sila dyan. And of course, yung kasama ko dito, si Wigan, Warren Lopez Nahuya. Then Rayjan Tamayo. Yan, magaling sumayaw, magaling ding mag-paint. Si Louis Vilches Kalimlim. Hindi lang tattoo artist at dancer, o painter pa. And then, of course, the new discovery, si Jamil Ataklo. May mga bata pa dito, pero wala sila. Nandyan yung kanila, si Ken Renier Quizon. Yan. Si Marx Russell Lucas, Natasha Torres, Nicole Antonio, Pauline. Si Pauline Arce, magaling din ito. Gusto niyang maging architect. Then, Kathleen Remiendo, Lee Sopranes, itong mga to ay hindi nakapagpaalam sa parents. Kaya hindi nakapunta. Doon lang ng artwork sila. Si Cyril Juan, Karil Comides. Yan, ito, taga-tuding din ito. Magaling ito. Si Dylan Ire Calines, she was here a while ago. I don't know if she's still there. Si Gabriel J. Lova, Cheryl Pisala, Jonald Frande, si Lexi May Enriquez, makikita yung ginawa nito. Saka si Robert Vergara. Then of course, last but not the least, si Camille Erin Machis. Diyan siya kasama yun. Okay, naknalis ko kayo isa-isa kasi you took part. Yung hindi na-mention na may artwork dyan, hindi nag-submit ng kanyang profile. Sorry, Mitch Camulo, yung pinsan ni Hermie. Kung may papagawa po kayong mga wire art, kung may mga papakommission po kayo, the Lady Wire of the Cordillera Region si Mitch. Then yung inaanak ko sa kasal, baka mamiss kita. Saan si Lopez? Magaling yan. Siya yung gumawa ng isang malaking painting dito. Makikita niyo kung saan. Yun yung profile picture ko sa Facebook. That's how special Lopez is. Naanak ko yan sa kasal. Then, I would like to make special mention to Camille. Hindi sa paborito kita, pero ito sa mga isa sa mga young budding artists of Baguio. Unfortunately, due to schooling, hindi na nakakasama sa amin. Marami pa mga kasama si Camille. They came here. They just put their artwork and they had to go home kasi strict daw ang parents. Take it away.
That most of them I don't know, except for the older ones like Jed. Nakasama ko na for quite some time, or Gladys. Siyempre yung mga veterano, sila Jordan. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung profile nila. Kaya for the first time, I got to read yung kanyang history. She's going to introduce tonight our guest speaker, Miss Mitch Camolo, the one lady of duty.
Okay, thank you. So it's not gonna take a long time. Okay, so our guest of honor and speaker representative is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Architecture at St. Louis University and Master of Arts in Urban and Regional Planning at the University of the Philippines, Diliman. Okay, she was also a United Architect of the Philippines representative for Baguio City Bids and Awards Committee from 2002 to 2004. Burnham Park Committee, UAP representative from 2004 to 2007. Infrastructure representative at National Economic and Development Authority, CAR, from 2004 to 2007. Northern Luzon representative for Architecture and Allied Arts at NCCA from 2007 to 2013. So here are some of her remarkable legislative achievements: rehabilitation of Baguio Convention Center, Smarter Roads Ordinance to address traffic issues, Sidewalk Ordinance for sidewalk restoration and maintenance, resolution for parking building, construction at Camp Allen, rehabilitation of Baguio City Market, establishment of bicycle lanes and walk paths, contributions to culture and arts, creation of Baguio City Creative Festival Ordinance, establishment of Baguio City Creative Council, institutionalization of Baguio Creative Arts Festival in November. She is an active representative of the National Committee on Architecture and Allied Arts, the NCAAA, for Philippine Institute of Environmental Planners as National Board Member. She is our current chairman and committee on public works, current member of Appropriation and Finance, Cluster A, and Health and Sanitation, Ecology and Environmental Protection Committee. She is also our City Councilor of Baguio City from 2016 to present. So, let us all welcome our guest of honor and speaker, Executive Director of the NCCA, Director Oscar G. Casaysay's representative, Executive Council, member of the NCCA, Councilor Maria Maylen Victoria Yaranon Pangan.
Thank you, Miss Beautiful. Good evening to each and everyone. First of all, I would like to greet my classmate, seatmate pala in the City Council, Councilor Leandro Yangot. Kaya pala Leyan, no? Leandro Yangot, Y-A-N. So, very nice name. First of all, I know you don't know who Maria Pangan is because I only use Yaranon in politics in Baguio. I asked permission from my husband and from my in-laws if I can drop my maiden name to use Yaranon. Kasi if I use Pangan, di ako mananalo. So, from my parents using Yaranon, so I also use Yaranon for politics. And in others, like in NCCA, I actually use Yaranon-Pangan. Kaya, ang alam nila, Maria Pangan. So, yun. That's my, tawag doon, other name. Anyway, I actually started with arts also. I won't acknowledge anymore anyone. Na-acknowledge naman na lahat ni birthday celebrant. Okay. In elementary, I actually studied under painting under Mr. Kaha. Sino nakakakilala kay Mr. Kaha? Ayun, si Ma'am Sol, kasi bumibili siya ng mga painting ni Mr. Kaha. And also in high school, I studied under Darnay Demetilio sa UP. So, sino nakakakilala kay Darnay Demetilio? Si Ma'am Sol. Na-office ng teach natin, Ma'am Sol. Ako teacher. Kasi UP si Ma'am Sol. And, well, after that, of course, when I entered studying BS Architecture at UST and then at SLU, nawala na yung painting sa akin. Naging ano na lang, perspective, airbrush, mga ganun na lang, no, before. So, I really would like to go back to painting. Although, the buildings that we built is a bigger canvas. So, yun nga lang, naging squares, no? Squares, triangles, rectangles, wala na yung creativity. Actually, nakakatanggal ng creativity, no? Building all of this. But I really want to go back and I've started again painting. Pero, I paint sa beach when I'm on my vacation. Siguro one of these days, you also visit yung Camp Yaranon sa Aringay, La Union, if you want to unwind. Anyway, ano na lang yun, advertisement. But, why am I with NCCA? I was with NCCA noon pa, until 2013 as North Luzon representative for Architecture and Allied Arts, or short, this is a subcommittee of the NCCA. Kaya NCAAA. Yeah, para hindi ka mahirapan. It's actually NCAAA. And again, starting last year, December, they got me again as a representative naman this time of my organization, Philippine Institute of Environmental Planners, because I'm also the national board member. Kaya I'm back with NCCA. And I'm so happy that the NCCA is still part of this, of the creativity, and you invited them. And actually, the new executive director now is Dr. Eric B. Zerudo. So let me give his message. So, Dr. Eric B. Zerudo, NCCA Executive Director. Today marks a momentous occasion as we gather to celebrate the grand opening of Lian Arts Museum, the first solar art museum in Baguio and the Cordillera region. This achievement not only showcases the region's commitment to innovation, but also its dedication to preserving and promoting the arts. It is also in time for the celebration of National Heritage Month this coming May, as promulgated by Presidential Proclamation number 469, series of 2003. Museums like Lian Arts Museum, initiated by local governments, play a pivotal role in our communities. They serve as cultural repositories, safeguarding the rich tapestry of local arts and culture for future generations. Through these institutions, we are able to connect with our past, understand our present, and envision our future. I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to everyone involved in making this museum a reality. Your hard work, dedication, and vision have culminated in this magnificent space that will inspire and educate visitors for years to come. Thank you, and here's to many years of success for Lian Arts Museum. So, once again, congratulations. Thank you.
And the pyromancer, Mr. Jordan Mangosan. At isa pa na tumulong sa kanya, I did a wordplay kanina sa kanyang title, sa kanyang article, sa kanyang profile, the 20th anniversary ng kanyang pagiging creative, Mr. Clinton Anniversario. So yun po. So, and then let's call on again the counselor, the good counselor, to say something.
Pasensya kayo niya. You know, Jordan, actually, siya yung isa pang nagbigay sa akin ng inspiration and encouragement. Jordan happens to be my cousin on my father's side. And when I visited his studio in Bayabas, where most of our relatives are. Kung hindi sa Bayabas, nandun sila sa North Sanitary Camp. Kung hindi sa North Sanitary Camp, nandun sila sa San Carlos Heights, Rizal. Kung hindi sa San Carlos Heights, nasa Balinbon, Rizal. At kung hindi sila sa Balinbon, Rizal, sa Camp 7, doon yung mga relatives namin ni Jordan Mangosan. And I drew also inspiration from him, actually. It was my wife who first bought his solar art works. Ako, pa-relax-relax lang, pero nung pumunta kami doon ko nakita na ang galing pala ng pinsan ko. I'm very proud of you, Jordan. Lakpakan natin sa Today, Jordan had a very important activity, but may kaman nito ita. Jordan, when we opened our solar art painting at the park and at Athletic Ball, siya po ang nag-provide ng lahat ng materials. Libre pa. Alam ni video niya, nung inaabot ko yung professional fee niya, hindi niya tinanggap, sabi niya, ito ay para sa mga bata. Would you like to?
Kahit nga rabi tayo amin, nga datuin, and kayo umumaypay. So, on may pagkaktay na pagkatamot amin. So, congratulations to Lian Art Museum. Salamat na-invite ka dito. And kahit nga rabi tayo amin muna. Thank you.
Okay. Siya po ang president ng Tamawan. Grupo ng mga artist sa Tamawan. And yan. Kung hindi siya busy siya sa apostolic duty niya. Yan ang ini-enjoy niya. Then of course, I'd like to make a special mention to the relative of Chick, my wife, si Clinton. Wala pang nakakalam dyan, but Clinton anniversary. Where are you, Clinton? Clinton, ito. If you happen to pass through Marcos Highway, you pass through his masterpiece. Si Kanti Mangibaga Clinton na inalita, kanlang ang pagtigusan.
Ating ang pagtigusan ng mga nanikugan at tinakayan. Anong Marcos Highway gaya, nung pababa kayo, right side. So, ito yung anniversary camping ground, and inside that anniversary camping ground, nakita yung Clinton Museum full of old cameras, vintage, film, tapos mga heirlooms na rin ng mga Cordillera.
Kung gusto mo magpa-picture po, Ma'am Sol, yung oldest na camera, yung ugma, the old way of taking pictures, you visit the Clinton Anniversary Arts Camp dun sa yung banda di ayan mo dyan? Palina. It's part of it's part of Tuba or part of
Tuba and Pugo.
Pugo. Ayan de, Pugo pa de. Kung ni father mo, dispute pa lang yan. Yes. But at any rate, it's either part of Tuba or part of Palina. Palina or part of Pugo. Yeah. So, Jay, mapang kayo. There's another guy. That's the problem when you do not have a goody-goody kalanchaw. You miss important people and important places. My good friend Art Lozano. Yan. So wala ito siya si Art eh. Palaging nakatravel. And many times over, kinuha rin tayong guest speakers. Pugad the Art, the last time, the artist from Taguig. Ang title ng kanilang exhibit is Tag Goes to Baguio. Taguig Goes to Baguio. Okay, so nagkaroon na din ng Bag Goes Tag. So the Baguio artists and the artists from the suburbs, from Tuba, from the Blist area, Baguio, La Trinidad, Itogon, Sablan, Tubay, Tublay, sumama sila, pumunta rin sa Taguig. Siya yung example ng tinatawag na bartering your expertise with construction materials. Napagawa po niya yung kanyang creative hub, creative space by bartering his artworks with construction materials para mapagawa niya yung kanyang masterpiece na art studio niya sa may, akala ko part ng Pinsao proper yun, hindi pala, La Trinidad na pala yun. But sulit-sulitin ko na. Baka makalimutan ko kayo isa-isa. Of course, ito yung mga kasama ko dito sa undertaking na to, with the co-MC of Pigeon, si Margie Omorsolo. And of course, yung mentor artist na presidente ng Baguio Educators Arts Guild, si Sir Ben Ivanyo Jr. Then my batchmate, master teacher from Doña Nicasia, Jason Pinopes. Then, yung Tall Dark, and alam nyo na, from Doña Aurora, si Sir Leslie Sumawit. Of course, Clinton, aniversaryo, na-mention ko na. Mitch Cabulo, yung the lady wire of the Cordilleras and Baguio. O yan, galing yan sa wire. So yung natuto, yan. Then of course, Kagawad Jed Alanggi of City Camp Central. Tom Cruise. Sorry, nagkamali. Tom Andrew Kalimlim nilagay dyan. Akala nila magkapatid kayo. But that should be Tom Cruise. Then, from stones to concrete walls, and yun pong welcome na picture namin dyan. Made from abaca and acrylic paint. Siya pong gumawa. Pagpasok nyo, makikita nyo, siya yung nandyan. Galing mo talaga. Gladys Ann Labsat. Ayan. Sila yung first painting na makikita niyo. And of course, yung magandang may bahay ng ating kapatid na si Hermie, si Cara Bruno. Ayan, magaling yan. Ibali yung mga artwork mo, idagdag natin dyan sa next. Idagdag natin sa susunod. Ako'y hihingi ng dispensa ngayon. It's still a work in progress. Marami tayong mga dapat na gagawin pa. Then of course, ang kanyang handsome partner ni Cara, si Hermie. Mapapansin niyo ang pinakamaraming mga artworks dyan si Hermie. Then of course, si Lopez Aquino, yung inaanak ko sa kasal. Si Manong Buddy Cabrera and Manong Roland Bayan, mga senior artists yan. Hindi sila nakapunta. Jordan Mangusan, of course si Art Luzano. Then si Howard, dito ba si Howard Ramirez? Si Joseph and Richard. Yan, may mga artworks din sila dyan. And of course, yung kasama ko dito, si Wigan Warren Lopez Nahuya. Then Rayjan Tamayo. Yan, magaling sumayaw, magaling ding mag-paint. Si Louis Vilches Kalimlim. Hindi lang tattoo artist at dancer, o painter pa. And then of course, the new discovery, si Jamil Taklo. May mga bata pa dito, pero wala sila. Nandyan yung kanila, si Ken Renier Quizon. Yan. Si Max Russell Lucas. Natasha Torres. Nicole Antonio. Oh, Pauline. Si Pauline Arce. Magaling din ito. Gusto niyang maging architect. Then, Kathleen Remiendo. Lee Sopranes. Itong mga ito ay hindi nakapagpaalam sa parents. Kaya hindi nakapunta. Doon lang ng artworks nila. Si Cyril Juan. Karel Comides. Yan, ito, taga-tuding din ito. Magaling ito. Si Dylan Ire Calines. She was here a while ago. I don't know if she's still there. Si Gabriel J. Lova. Cheryl Quisala. Jonald Frande. O, si Lexi May Enriquez. Makikita yung ginawa nito. Saka si Robert Vergara. Then of course, last but not the least, si Camille Erin Machis. Diyan siya kasama yun. Okay. Naknalis ko kayo isa-isa kasi you took part. Yung hindi na-mention na may artwork dyan, hindi nag-submit ng kanyang profile.
Alam ng mga taga-itodol, di ba?
On behalf of Congressman Mark, we would like to congratulate our very dear Councilor Leandro Yangon for having this Lian Art Museum, the first in the city of Baguio. And I'm sure it will, as he said a while ago, it will expand not only in Baguio but the whole of the Cordillera. You know, art is very close to my heart. That's why when Councilor Mylene asked about Mr. Cao, Mr. Cao was the former teacher of my eldest son, Aristotle, who is now an architect too. He was, I think, only 11 years old, no? When he did all those paintings, and I was able to preserve them up to now. That's why he's also planning, Councilor Leandro, to put up a gallery at the lower basement of his house. So, siguro po ako napakalapit sa akin ang mga artists for one. Dahil parang ako, inside me, siguro yung first life ko, baka artist din ako. No? But I show my artistry in decorating houses because that used to be my business. Nagustuhan ko ng mga clients ko. Kaya sabi ng anak ko no, Mami, siguro baka artist ka nung unang buhay mo. So, ganun po. So, my support, Councilor, for this art museum. And actually, I have also that passion to support young artists I got a lot from Gladys and also from, not really many yet, Marty Cabrera, Mr. Bayan, marami na po, kaya lang hindi ko na maaalala lahat. Basta yung bahay ko rin po, yun ang aking yun ang aking I would say basta I just love it, no? I just love to collect, and maybe later on I would like also to put one like this Leon Art Museum. So I think this is one thing that we can support our creative community, especially the young people. So thank you, Councilor Leandro, for initiating this kind of project, kasi we really need this. And well, sa aming pamilya, you will have our support, especially. Congratulations, more power to not only to this Leon Art Museum, but to all the artists who are here tonight. So magsuportahan po tayo, and we'll be one in propagating this kind of creative spaces, as Councilor Leandro mentioned a while ago. So maraming salamat po, at magandang gabi sa inyo.
Thank you. Actually, I'd like to make an admission for the record. Yung painting na binili nyo po nung last year, nung occasion ng yung Garden to Kitchen competition ng Kalitoy Women's, no? Doon nyo binigay yung bayan. Yung binigay po nyo, it went a long way for the training of many of our young artists. Camille, you are a witness to that na Camille, yan isa sa mga pinakamagaling namin. Camille Erin Machis from Luacan proper. Saka yung mga kasama niya, sino ba yung mga nandito? Regyan, no? Yung materials na ginagamit, kung may mabili na painting namin, in my case, doon napupunta. Kasi we're having our regular classes po doon sa pinut up namin na art bank sa Athletic Bowl na binigay sa amin ni City Administrator Engineer Bonnie de la Peña. Yun pong art bank na yun, kung gusto nyong mag-showcase ng inyong mga artworks doon, libre. Kung may mabili, yun. Yung mga mahilig katulad ni Ma'am Solgo, magandang pumunta sa art bank. Then dito rin. And aside from you, yung grupo po yun na Manong Roland sa Chongloy, popularly known as Chongloy. Sila ni na Manong Peter Nang of Hotel Supreme, sina Fernando Chong. And then, hindi ko na yung executive committee, no, ng Filipino-Chinese community, nag-donate din sila para sa programa nito. Kaya po yung mga nag-attend dito, libre lahat, libre yung canvases, libre yung pintor, libre yung paint brushes, but yung naka-advance, may sarili silang mga paint brushes. Kaya we encourage you, kayong mga nandito, to join the free art lessons class every Saturday sa may Athletic Bowl sa Art Bank. Ngayon, we're going to the barangays. Yung mga barangays na interesado, we can put up a free art lessons class. Ang mangyayari, we will commission artists from those who are here or from Baguio and the list area, silang magtuturo. Yung binibigay na konting honorarium, nung una, sorry Carmi, nung una, medyo barya-barya, no? Kasi siyempre, nagsisimula pa lang tayo. Ngayon, medyo okay na yung ating binibigay sa mga nagtuturo dahil may mga benefactors like kayo at sinama Sol. Yung mga binili nyo na paintings ay malaking tulong. Sana bumili pa kayo. Lalo na sa mga nandito na present.
Okay.
You will see their artwork. So ang gagawin po natin, i-open natin formally sa baba. Then, ikot tayo dito sa first floor. Then we go up hanggang sa may rooftop. That used to be a rooftop na wala pang roof. Yan yung aking picture na rooftop garden. Kaso pag tag-ulan, nababasa sa baba. So we had to put a roofing. Pero may mga konting mga tanim pa tayo dyan, mga vegetables. So we start from there, i-open natin, mag-ground kayo, then go up, then come back for us to have our dinner. Thank you sa pansit pala.
Okay, that's it. So later.
Okay? Okay! So let's go inside. Ikan nyo tipang panalita. Ito, kinuha ko yun sa Banawi. Ito, galing kina Pokdeon yun, yung dalawang bull. Ito, ginawa ni Gladys ito, Labsan.
Wow.
Where are you, Gladys?
It's
Galing ni
Gladys!
Gladys yan. Okay, pasok tayo sa loob. Yan, inukit yan ni Kagawad ha, Ernesto Pokdeon, siyang gumawa dyan.
Siguro.
Ikaw, gawa ng mga pas, patay ko raw.
Ito ba yun? Dapat ito eh. The price na yung makabirok ni cellphone ko. Yan. Yan yung eldest daughter ko na yan, asawa ni Attorney Johnson, si Johnson. Yan. Ginawa yan ni sino yung gumawa dyan? Dumeres ang gumawa dyan, si Kwan yan. Si Howard. And dito, yan. Ito yan. Dito.
Ito ang tintig na kwan na iba.
Kita mah, panagayat ko kanya minsan. Kita mo niya tinuro mo niya. Okay na, di man eh, bagi mo niya. Ada.
Di ba?
Oh, bakit sugat na rin niya?
ba judge ko? Oo, nakita ko nga po sa photos. Hindi pa ako nakapunta. You know, the artist of Venice. This one. This artist. He's an old guy na, but he always checks on you guys. Yeah, it's like, oh, the kids. That's this artist. Felix. His daughter is also from art culture.
Ada pa ilang sa balisan di ko pa.
Paul. Ay, kain na tayo, kain na. Kain na. Yeah. Meron pa dito, nakita niyo dito, meron pa. Ay, kain na tayo, kain na. Kain na. Yeah. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Sana bumili kayo ng paintings ng mga artist lang dito.